Mental health is an essential aspect of overall well-being. In recent years, there has been a growing focus on mental health awareness and the importance of addressing mental health issues. It's not a surprise that most of the medical advancements that are happening recently, be it drug discoveries or automated scans, AI has been the center of all of it. But did you know that AI is playing a major role in the mental health industry too? Researchers at the Vanderbilt University have developed a predictive modeling system that can identify individuals who are at a high risk for suicide by analyzing electronic health records such as medical histories, diagnosis, and medication histories to prevent the likelihood of the suicide attempts. The systems would not only help the clinicians to identify and intervene with the high-risk patients, but also give a very quick and effective diagnosis. We all have seen how Facebook has developed the AI-powered tool that can identify the posts or comments that may have or may indicate suicidal ideations. Access of a mental health professional in this economy is either very expensive or distant. Companies like VBot and Visa have developed AI-powered virtual assistants that provide mental health support to users through chat-based interfaces. Personalized medicine and treatment is not a new concept. This is something that we are rapidly trajecting towards. Researchers at the University of Illinois has developed an AI-powered system that can help the clinicians to develop personalized treatment plans for patients with depression. Stanford University has developed an AI-powered tool that can diagnose depression with up to 90% accuracy by analyzing speech patterns of the patients. University of Southern California has developed an AI-powered virtual therapist called as Ellie that can provide personal therapy sessions to patients with the post-traumatic stress disorder. AI is being used to monitor patients with mental health disorders, providing early warning signs of potential relapses or crisis. Researchers have developed an AI-powered system that can analyze the language patterns of the patients with bipolar disorder. While there are still some challenges to overcome, such as privacy concerns, ethical considerations, the potential benefits of AI in the mental health is enormous. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative uses of AI in the mental health that will improve the lives of millions of people around the world. Comment down your thoughts below, and for more such content, subscribe to our channel.